Hey guys, I'm doing a Draw My Life on Paint 3D. So basically I was born. Why do I look like a weird Phineas? And okay, so I was born, and then hospital bed. I was in a hospital bed for surgery 3 months after I was born. Looks like a weird bathtub, but I don't care. Okay. I'm horrible at drawing. I'm even horrible at drawing stick figures. Well, I'm just horrible at drawing on the computer. So let's see. I had surgery for the first time. And then, like a year or two later, once again, in the hospital. This time for eye surgery. The first time was heart surgery. I forgot if I mentioned that. And okay, so okay, again, and this one was, and then, so basically, I became a YouTuber because I was watching FGTV and Dan TDM a lot, and I wanted to be just like them. So, well, I was watching them on an iPad, and I wanted to be just like them, so my sister and I started a YouTube channel, and that was the Little Lego Lovers. And we only did a few videos together, then my sister gave up, and then I just took over. And now I've been really busy, which is why I've been really busy with my parents and swim and a bunch of stuff. So that's why this one took a longer wait. Well, I always take 3 months before any video anyways, which is just a coincidence. But, so, here I am now, sitting in a chair. I am horrible at drawing stick figures. And let's first destroy my head, remake it. That's better. And then this is then I have my computer, monitor 1, and then I have monitor 2, and then I just have this webcam right there. This is just, and then keyboard, mouse. This is just my gaming setup, simply drawn. Now I'm just gonna draw random things because this was an oddly short video. A chicken nugget. That's just weird. Okay, I am done now. Bye guys. I will see you probably in 3 months now. And goodbye.